Basically, this is what we're seeing in the main character's head. So as we're watching it now, you can see that the camera is shaking. So we're going to be seeing like a dark, spooky kind of place, and it's shaking in her head as she's a psycho.
The fireworks show what is happening in the character's head, and the brightness of the fireworks and sound of it is very loud, which makes her anxious.
Here the character is very disorientated and anxious as she's in a big crowd and she doesn't like it. We have the slow motion effect to intensify the scene. We've removed the audio to show the audience how mentally disturbed the character is. This editing effect also relates to the theme and genre of our film opening.